Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To delete an embedded chart from a worksheet, first select the chart area. You can do this by selecting Chart Area from the Chart Elements drop-down menu in the Current Selection button group on the Format tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard to delete the chart object from the worksheet. If you have placed the chart on its own worksheet in the workbook, then you should delete the worksheet containing the chart to remove it from the workbook. To do this, right-click the Worksheet tab that contains the chart, and then choose the Delete command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the confirmation message box that appears, click the Delete button to permanently remove the worksheet containing the chart.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.